2025 Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance has crowned a truly remarkable champion. The 1924 Hispano Suiza H6C Nieuport-Astra Torpedo, affectionately known as the Tulipwood Torpedo, is not just a car. It's a piece of automotive history that many consider to be the most iconic French vehicle ever made. And now it proudly holds the title of the most renowned Spanish-Swiss car as well. This stunning automobile triumphed over a host of other competitors and class winners at this prestigious event. Penny and Lee Anderson Sr., the proud owners from Naples, Florida, have a deep appreciation for this masterpiece. The Tulipwood underwent an extensive and meticulous restoration process carried out by RM Auto Restoration, a company that has impressively seen 9 of its restorations win the coveted Best of Show award, a record in the automotive world. Winning at Pebble Beach is arguably the pinnacle of achievement in the automotive realm, remarked Lee Anderson Sr. We feel incredibly fortunate to have claimed this honor twice. Indeed, the Andersons previously won this prestigious accolade in 2022 with their breathtaking 1932 Duesenberg Model J mahogany sports torpedo, which was also restored by RM Auto Restoration. While the Duesenberg is a remarkable vehicle in its own right, this year's winner holds an even more extraordinary story, commissioned by André Dubonnet, a celebrated World War I fighter pilot, heir to the Dubonnet aperitif legacy and a multi-talented individual who dabbled in Olympic bobsledding and race car driving. The Tulipwood was constructed on the renowned Hispano Suiza Boulogne chassis. It boasts an impressive 8.0-liter H6C inline-six engine that delivers 45 horsepower. The crowning glory of the Tulipwood is its breathtaking mahogany bodywork, which draws inspiration from boat design. Crafted by Henry Chassereau and built by Nieuport-Astra, the body consists of numerous 1/8-inch thick wooden pieces meticulously secured over 3/4-inch ribs with thousands of aluminum rivets. This innovative construction made the body incredibly lightweight, weighing in at just 160 pounds. Such a design contributed to Dubonnet's impressive performance, allowing him to secure 6th place in the 1924 Targa Florio and 5th in that year's Coppa Florio. Restoring a century-old wooden car is no small feat, and the process was a monumental task. According to RM Auto Restoration, the project spanned several years, requiring over 12,000 hours of labor and nearly 2 years dedicated to research and restoration to meet exacting standards. Remarkably, much of the original mahogany was preserved, and RM sourced century-old wood to ensure authenticity in the restoration. Interestingly, the Andersons acquired this Hispano Suiza at the 2022 RM Sotheby's auction during Pebble Beach, having been informed that the car had a strong chance of winning the Best of Show title. Reflecting on his first impression of the Tulipwood Torpedo before its restoration, Anderson Sr. described it as a beautiful piece of furniture. Gord Duff, president of RM Sotheby's, expressed his admiration, stating, "This car is nothing short of a masterpiece. Every angle, every detail, it's as wild as it gets for 1924 and was so far ahead of its time. To me, this is the Mona Lisa of cars. I never imagined that our company would be involved in the sale of such an important vehicle, let alone be the restoration firm tasked with bringing it back to its original splendor. It's an incredible honor to have been entrusted with such a significant project. But here's where it gets controversial. Some purists argue that restoring classic cars can detract from their historical value. What do you think? Is restoration a necessary step to preserve automotive history, or does it risk erasing the original character of these magnificent machines? Share your thoughts in the comments.